morning, everyone. I know this is a very crusty way to start off today's video. In this video today, I'm going to be trying out Creme Nature's Pure Honey line. So Creme Nature, to me, I love Creme Nature. Like, there's two products that are like my go-tos. Like when I need to get my hair done, I know that my hair is going to come out good, I'm going to use Creme Nature. No offense, but I love Creme Nature. So hopefully I'm not, my bar isn't too high right now, that this Pure Honey line is gonna work out for me. I have heard a lot of great things. That still doesn't mean it's gonna work good for my hair, but we will try. I am on like day 7 hair. My hair is beyond crusty and crazy, especially when I take it out. I'm like, Kelly, why'd you do this to yourself? Like, this is so bad. Good thing is I'm going to start off with the Pure Honey line, their hair mask. Now what the Pure Honey line promises is that it is moisture, replenish, and strength. So this has no sulfates, no mineral oils. It's supposed to be good for your hair. Hopefully I feel that. Hopefully I do. If you tried out Pure Honey before, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, I'm so sorry for my voice. I just woke up. But I am Kelly. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I do hair product reviews, lifestyle, DIY, just anything really fun, challenges I like to do too. I have a good one coming up that I think I'm gonna do. But anyway, also if I have not hit 2,000 subscribers just yet, just wait because I'm planning a giveaway and I'm really excited about it because it's my first official giveaway. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do this. So just make sure that you subscribe down below because you will be that much closer to winning this giveaway. So let's get straight into the video and let's take out this hair. Alright, so we're back in the cabinet, guys. If you're not familiar with this setup, this is how we do things. So we're gonna start off with the hair mask again. Like I said before, this is what it looks like. I have all sample sizes, so hopefully this all works. I like to sample sizes just to test out the product first before I purchase it. I am new to this because I used to buy the huge jars and then hate the product. So hopefully this works out better. So let's soak my hair. I told you this was crazy. I have like everything in my hair, like oils. I'm gonna soak my hair right now. Give me a moment. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Creme Nature Pure Honey, and this is their Moisture and Replenish and Strength line. I'm going to start off with their hair mask. Now, in the directions, it actually says to use this after the Dry Defense shampoo. However, I always like to do hair mask before I shampoo and condition my hair just to detangle it. So I will be trying this out first, then moving on to the shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm going to try in their leave-in and a cream. Now what I do notice with this mask is that it's a water base and my hair is really easy to detangle. My hair was so naughty before I put this product in, so I'm really shocked at that. It's very water and it's definitely a water base, but my hair is so, like, how did I do it? Like this was really quick. What? I feel like I don't even need that much product. Like this sample pack was the perfect amount. Usually I need a lot more. Like look at this. It's like just detangling. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna wrap up my hair, put it in a shower cap, leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna shower, shampoo, conditioner. When I come out, I'll give you my thoughts on what I thought about the shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and another thing I want to do while I mask my hair is mask my face. So I may look a little crazy, but this is how you knock 2 things out at one time. If anyone's interested, I'm using the Volcanic Ash Mask from Queen Helene. And yes, it was $3.99. I told you I would look crazy. Alright, I'll be right back. Now the way that I like to apply any product is I section my hair and I take the product and I coat it with each section. I like to make sure that each section gets coated with a great amount of product, that it's coating each strand, defining and moisturizing my curl, and that's the method my hair works with. This detangler, I'm supposed to apply this generously throughout my entire head. It's not too bad. It's very lightweight. I like my products a little heavier. My hair is feeling a little fluffy right now. I am getting all the knots. If I had a knot in my hair, I am getting them out though. I can tell you that. Now for the twisting cream, there's really no smell to this, by the way. Oh, this is very whippy. Alright, usually whip means it's lightweight. I feel the cream. Oh, nice. Okay, yay. This feels good. Okay, I feel the hold. This feels much better. I guess the leave-in was really just a detangler, but the whip, they're all the same color. All the products are like a honey. I had my doubts, but I'm feeling much more comfortable. I'm just applying the product in my hand. I'm feeling so much more comfortable with this whipping cream that my hair feels like there's more weight applied to it. I don't like lightweight products whatsoever. I'm just making sure that all the product is in my hair. I think we're good. I'm not doing a gel, so we are relying strictly on cream today, and it is hot outside. Oh, I don't know if this was a good idea, but we shall see. All right, we're done. All right. Back with good lighting. This is what my hair looks like. I have a prediction that it will be a little frizzy. I don't feel enough hold in my hair, and I'm seeing white dots, so that's supposed to mean shine, but I don't know. I don't know. It is very lightweight. It looks fine, like it looks nice and like wet, you know, but I don't know how it's gonna dry. Also, when I got out the shower, I forgot to let you know how the shampoo and conditioner were. So, recap, rewind, hair mask, thumbs up, shampoo, not drying at all. And I like, it's like a surprising pearly tan yellow honey color, which was nice because everything else just seemed like it was the same shade. So this had like a little shine to it, very soapy, moisturizing, did not feel dry. It felt really nice. The conditioner, I wish it was more detangling, or there was more slip, there was more moisture with the conditioner. Lately, I've been very disappointed with my conditioners that I've been trying out. So if you have any good recommendations, let me know, please. And we're gonna let this baby air dry. So let's see what happens. Follow me throughout my day. I should be getting my feet done. I have to do shopping because I'm about to travel, so I'm really excited about that. So we have a lot of running around to do, and let's get to this crazy day. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. What? That's not even it. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go.
I just let me Millie rock in your hair.
Can't Millie rock in my hair. But update. I think from, okay, hold on. I look crazy.
Yes, you do.
I know. Actually, that wind actually helped it because it wasn't feeling that great. I look twisted though, so we'll see how it continues to dry. It's 1:15 right now. I started this whole day at 10 a.m. so I don't know. So we're at the nail place right now. This is a horrible view of my head, but we thought it would be in and out. And I think the same person who's doing my nails would be giving Jonathan a massage. There's no one else here. There's no one else here, Jay. Just finished getting my toes done. Jonathan got a massage because I dragged him to come with me to get my feet done. This is like the best place to get your feet done. They're amazing. But my nail lady, I go somewhere else. Yeah, I'm so picky, so bougie, whatever. But so far, what time is it? It's 2:40 right now. It's drying not too bad. Like my wash and go isn't bad. So if you could see it, hopefully you can. Curl definition is there. It's always like that drying phase. Let me lower this. It's always like that drying phase where it's like, and then it's like trying to figure itself out. It gets hard, and then it like softens up. The seal breaks, so the seal is broken. And so far it's like very soft. So it's not too bad. I'm waiting for Jay right now to get out. And we're on our way to the mall. We're gonna get something to eat. I wanna pick up some dresses. And that's it. We're back at Target. This is actually really good. No, my hair. Like, I'm so shocked.
How good your hair is?
Yeah, it actually looks really good. Yeah, it's actually good, babe.
Actually, so your hair's always good.
And it's like almost dry. I think it is dry. Oh shoot. This dried really quick. You wanna say hi? Really good. Now we're eating. Whoa, baby.
I like it.
We are done for the day. My hair is in a ponytail because we went OD shopping, right, babe?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So I'm going to close out this video. My curls are really nice. Actually, tomorrow morning, I should show you them just to close it out. You know what? I'll do that. That'll be like my new thing that I always do. Show you day 2 hair when I wake up. Because these, I'm actually very, very, very surprised at the turnout. In the beginning, I felt like it was oily, like not oily, but I could feel the product on when I touched it. Not that much. But there's definitely still shine, definition. Ooh, look at that with the red. Right, hon? Look at that. Ooh, it's on fire! No?
That's a big head.
Yeah. I was very doubtful in the beginning. I wasn't hopeful whatsoever because I felt like there was no hold. But, yeah, I'll show you in the morning. So I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Peace.
Peace. No, do it again. Peace.
Peace. Let me do my hand. Let me do my hand.
Wait. So peace. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, I gotta drive. I'm like looking at the camera waiting for you to really be done.
Alright, we're gonna say bye. Well, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Well, I'll see you in the next 2 seconds.
Bro,
bye.
Just say bye.
Seems like every time I film, I'm always in the car. But I had to run out and I wanted to share with you very quickly my hair for the next day. I won't touch it, but this is what it looks like. These are the curls. This product, surprisingly, I was very surprised by this product. I'm on my phone, by the way, so that's why the quality looks like this. But oh, and I got my nails done. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So I'm very shocked by the results. I would purchase this again, actually. I didn't even purchase it before. Hey Jay. Hello. We're in Brooklyn right now, but I was running out the house. Wanted to show you my hair, and hopefully you can see it. Look.
Or they can see me.
Or they could see Jonathan. The front is stretched out because I pulled it back this morning, so that's why my curls might be a little stretched more back there. But definition is really good.
Look like a line.
But yeah, I like it. I would buy it. I know those were samples, but I would buy it. Right, Jay? You'd buy it for me?
Sure.
Thanks. Alright guys, so that's another video. I will see you in the next one. Love you. Say bye, Jay. Bye.